Transform your next event with premium lighting rentals in Los Angeles. Imagine vibrant uplights enhancing banquet halls and wedding receptions. Professional-grade LED stage lights deliver customizable color washes. Create dynamic atmospheres with RGB laser projection and moving headlights. String LED bulb lights add stylish ambiance for parties and gatherings. Custom gobo projectors showcase logos, monograms, and decorative patterns. 360-degree holographic cones immerse guests in unforgettable visual experiences. Modular stage platforms with integrated truss offer quick, flexible setups. Outdoor waterproof string lights illuminate gardens, patios, and event tents. Elegant pipe and drape backdrops with uplighting create luxurious entrances. Personalized wedding monogram projectors make every celebration unique. High-power moving head and laser lights energize concerts and nightclubs. Tree-patterned LED wall lighting adds artistic flair to upscale venues. All lighting packages are fully customizable to match your event vision. Upgrade your event. Book professional lighting rentals for a stunning transformation. Contact us today to elevate your venue with unforgettable ambiance.